Mr. Boston, can I go ahead and file my medical malpractice case in circuit court in Maryland? Can I just do that? Want to know the answer to this question? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to talk with you today quickly about that question. Can you just immediately file your medical malpractice case in circuit court? Well, the short answer is no, you can't do that. There are things that you have to do before you can file in circuit court. Now, the reason why I'm shooting this video is because this is a very important issue, and an individual who contacted my office was thinking about doing their medical malpractice case on their own, and they were just kind of talking to me. They wanted to talk to me about some little things that they were thinking about with everything, and that was one of the things that came out during the discussion. This individual was telling me that they were just ready to file right now in circuit court. Now, as to that issue, should you be trying to do a medical malpractice case on your own? In my opinion, I think you probably should contact a lawyer to help you out, because there are a lot of little traps along the way that if you don't know what you're doing or you're not well researched in this area of the law, you can make some really critical mistakes for your case. Now, I will say this though. Ultimately, the decision as to whether you should go on your own or hire an attorney, that's ultimately up to you. So you have to make that decision. But let's go back to that question, can you file immediately in circuit court? No, you can't. You need to go through something what we call here is the Healthcare Alternative Dispute Resolution Office. You've got to first stop there before you can get into circuit court. So that's hopefully when you listen to this and you're watching this video, you can see that there's a lot that goes on in these types of cases. And if you're not really versed in this area, like I said, you can make some very critical mistakes for your case. If you have more questions about your situation, if you would like to talk with someone about whether you are the victim of medical malpractice or whether your child has suffered an injury at birth and you're kind of thinking about should you hire an attorney or should you do it on your own, but you know that, you know what, it might be better for you to at least talk to someone first, this is what I invite you to do. And remember, it costs you absolutely nothing to take this next action. And that is to go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832. Or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland medical malpractice and childbirth injury questions like yours all the time. And I'll be glad to take some time and listen to your story. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC. We will see you next time. Guys, take care. Enjoy the rest of your day.